Hi, Corey here, and I want to talk about our carpet extractors that we rent. We rent ours for $50 a day, and no one else can beat that. This is also one of our most exclusive machines. It's the only one on the market with 3 vacuum motors. And it also has 2 heaters. So this is the most powerful portable carpet extractor you can get on the market. We've had several customers rent it at this point, and some of them have even bought it afterwards. So it's a really, really great machine. If you ever have an emergency and one of your machines go out and you need something really quick, sign up takes less than 15 minutes. So it's a very convenient machine to rent. So yeah, come on down and check it out. We even give demonstrations so you can feel the power for yourself.